Today we're going to be fitting the air outlet kit in the rear quarter panel of a Y62. Here's everything that comes included in the kit. We also have these handy instructions for the ease of install. This bracket comes with the ARB hose coupling mount kit and is not needed. First step is to remove the upper and lower quarter trims. We've done a handy instructional video on how to do this on our YouTube. Now we've got the trim out of the way, the first thing to do is remove the seat belt. This edge of the bracket should match up with the ridge line in the body. Once you've got the bracket in the right location, mark the holes out. Using a 6mm drill, then drill the holes out. Once you've drilled the holes, feed the nut plate in behind and secure it. Next step is to fit the ARB air coupler onto the bracket. As you can see, the bracket's slotted, so you've got a little bit of side-to-side movement. The kit comes with a range of fittings that you can use depending on your application. Today, we're going to use a 90° for our setup. The next process is going to be cutting a hole in the quarter trim for the air fitting to go through. We suggest cutting the template out and putting it against your quarter trim. Once you've got the template cut out, line it up, get a texter and mark the hole. Once you've marked your hole, you need a 44mm hole saw and drill away. You want to make sure while doing this that you just take it nice and easy. Once you've got the hole drilled, you can clean up a little bit of the extra debris just with a knife, just nice and gently. Once you've cleaned up the hole, install the grommet that's supplied. Once you've got all the steps done, I recommend just refitting the top panel just to see that everything lines up correctly. Once you've got everything in the right location, you can then go around and tighten it up.